Takin di park ini. Ya, itu keren. Karena besin halam sungguh sudah dah ya. Dari sudah. Jangan betul ini. Warna, ayo deh, yang bu. Nature. Nature benar-benar. Gila. Hema, chilo kujikiwa. Hema, lera. So, yeah, sila. Nam gusti. Tak legia. Pak. Lagi apa? Isi tu. Tu macam ni. Lagi research biar masuk sah. Dah, tani sunai tidak sih. Nam gusti. Isi ni. Bas, coba dah yang lagi ni mah. Bas. Coba di exercise cukup ya sih. Okey. Mau berbulah. Hello lah. Hello camera lah. Tapi ngaji ni dana ya. Mana takur na juni ni lah. Ya, nah tiket bom cer dume tadi. Cuma cungkus dulu na. Ya, ni videographer di tas tu. Alu zoom bejos na dah ngau duit. Ya, siapa hiji? Hah? Siapa hiji sih? Kata dia kamu dulu cuma ni je me. Bicara meja tak ada. Cuma gini di. Lagi tuan zunci. Pakai tu? Apa pakai tu? Kaya. Apa? Anya. Takin Park was established in 1974. Okay. Locally known as Takin. Takin was miraculously created by Takin in the year 1455 to 1529. Today, the park also serves as a rehabilitation center for other injured, abandoned and rescued animals that you may see during the visit. Not these animals. Family survey day, scientific name, Rusa runicolor, local name, show.
Here is the deer.
Family survey day. They have a large head with thick neck, short limbs, short bird and donkey-like ears. Capricornis sumatrensis. They are solitary and territorial. They are mostly active during the daytime. It is a prey for tiger, Asiatic wild dog and common leopard. Scientific name Pseudosis naya, local name Nau. They are called blue sheep due to their slit grey coat that appear bluish in winter. Blue sheep are stockily built with short and stout legs. They live in alpine meadows with moderately steep slopes. Oh, what a beautiful canopy! It's a very good place to rest after seeing the place. Let me take a rest. No, family Hassinidae, scientific name Lophophorus genus, local name Jadong. They live mostly in mixed conifer, fall forest and alpine shrub forest intersected with open grassy slopes, cliffs and alpine meadows. They are prey for birds of raptors and Himalayan lizards. Males have multicolored plumage with metallic green crests, coppery feathers on the back and neck. Females are less colorful with a prominent white patch on the throat and a white stripe on the tail. Children's playground, not designated to take adults there to read.
What? Bovidae, scientific name Nemoredus coral, local name Jara. It is a primary prey for common leopard. They prefer to live in steep and open grassy slopes with cliffs and some forest cover. 같이 비가 안 와. 나도 비스 두매 비스 배 샘컴 니지레 이바친데 나래 파옹배 바친데 다는 정도면
Listen, wait a minute. Ito dito siya. Minsan ka dito. Wala. Siyang Takin ni kita saja. Ini tak betul.
Let's go talk to do. Cincin do. Dele swing do. Race bisa sama do. Hindi. Let's meet to this. Tuk saru. Sure. You can do it. Faster. Finishing the time zode. Yeah. 13 seconds.
Ya. Bubula tangan tamni. Bubula ada sini. Ya. Bungkar awalnya. Kita main sabun susah. Bungkar awalnya memang dia. Tapi dia apa tahu? Apa sih macam dia? Hari macam ni dah.
có bị chim chúc trong sự gì mục bùm tới sao mục bùm chúc mục đêm mình bùm chúc này mồ
ăn chấm này.
ôi
뭐?
하고 잠시 우리 집에 가면 우리 집에 저거
짱 미덥지. 돈 방할 거 붙은 거.